Alright, Mr. House here teaching 12.9. Today we're dealing with elapsed time. So we're going to look at story problems using time. I always suggest we draw a clock or have a clock that you can use. So let's look at it. Dora and her brother Kyle spent 1 hour and 35 minutes. First thing, before I get too much into it, I'm going to set my clock. So I'm going to go to 1:20. Okay, so spent 1 hour and 35 minutes doing the yard. Then she stopped at 1:20. So she stopped, knowing it's not going to go forward. We're going backwards because this is a time where it stops. So that's important. At what time did they start doing the yard work? So I suggest we always go back the hour. Whoops. We go back the hour first. So we'll change that. And then we're going 35 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Because I hit that 12, my arrow's now going to go to my 11. I'm going to cross that one out now. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So then I could draw my other arrow here, get rid of these ones. Actually, let's do it this way. So the time is 11:45 p.m. Let's go to the next one. Actually, let's look at the time so we can get it, so I can set my clock over here on the appropriate time. I don't know why that half page is there, but it will be fine. So 10:05. Now 23 minutes later, so I'm looking at 23 minutes and it's later, so we're going forward. Okay, and there's no hour, so I can just count minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and then 1, 2, 3. So my clock should be at 10:28 a.m. Last one. Okay, so Lyle went fishing for 1 hour. Actually, let's find the time of the clock. So 6:40. Lyle went fishing 1 hour and 30 minutes until he ran out of bait at 6:40. So 6:40 is when he stopped. So 6:40 is when he stopped. Because of that, I'm going to go backwards. Okay, so I can go an hour backwards. So we're going to put it at the 5. And then I'm going to just count 40. So we started on the 8. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So if we look, sorry, it was 30. My bad, it's 30 minutes. So we'll go 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it's right there. So if we get rid of all this other stuff on here, it should be at the, actually it's at the 5:10. So 5:10 p.m. So if you don't got a clock handy, just draw one out, use it. It works great for lesson 12.9. Until next time, I teach you 12.10. Have a good night.